juvenile xanthogranuloma. And there is a really weird thing. If people have multiple, if a child has multiple juvenile xanthogranulomas and also has neurofibromatosis type 1, they are at risk for getting something else that seems totally unrelated. And what is that? This is a weird, esoteric question for the boards, but also occasionally has had real life significance in detecting disease.
I think I know it.
Okay.
It's JMML.
Yes, juvenile myelomonocytic leukemia, JMML. For whatever reason, and I still don't really understand how to wrap my brain around this, people with NF1 that get multiple JXGs have a risk of developing this uncommon type of leukemia. So strange, huh? All right, so that is a JXG, a good example. Next case.